Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another Tinkercad lesson, but today we're going to talk about the iPad, so let's get cracking. Alright friends, so I have made several iPad tutorials. It is a blast designing on the iPad. I just want you to know they exist. There is a full playlist and you'll find them for absolutely beginners and totally epic. Now friends, I want to show you something cool called the AR feature. But before I show you that, let me show you this. So this is Tinkercad on the iPad. This is Tinkercad on the PC. All of your designs show up on both, which is super slick. So right now I'm going to modify my iPad tutorial right here by hitting Tinker this. If I opened it, I could be in both at the same time. So friends, I could do this modification on the tablet, but it's just as cool to show you here. All I'm going to do is take my Gingy and I want to stand him up by my puppy. So I'm going to stand him up and then I'm going to hit D to drop. You could also use this lift handle, and if you type 0, it'll get to your work plane. So now I have got standing Gingy, and I'm going to take this tablet upstairs, and let's get a picture of Gingy hanging out with my dog. Alright everybody, so that is Bailey. Here is my iPad with that project open. I'm going to close this, and I'm going to hit the AR button. It gives us the silly, would you like fries with that? So I'm moving my iPad to begin, and check it out. There is Gingy by my puppy. Now this is hard to do with one hand here, but I want to stretch and check it out. That's how cool it is to use AR with your project. And there we get Bailey smiling at us. How fun is that? AR using Tinkercad and the iPad. Alright friends, so that was just a total blast. I think I enjoyed it more than the puppy, but you can see the idea is pretty cool. It's especially cool, say if you make like a piece of playground equipment, you can actually go out to the playground and show it where it would fit in the playground. If you're adding something to your house, you could take a picture of that. Of course, I took an image and I will post that image in the video as well. But friends, I just wanted you to see how cool Tinkercad is with an iPad, and then also the sweet AR feature. Friends, don't forget, if you want more tutorials, you can always visit HLModTech.com. I've got a page dedicated to Tinkercad, and then also down at the bottom is the sweet built-in messaging tool. You can click that button, add your question, comment, or suggestion, and reach out almost instantly. Friends, I do also want to recommend the Tinkercad Community Discord. It is a fantastic place to talk everything Tinkercad, and as you can see, we've got more than 500 members. Finally, friends, thanks tons for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.